Hi and welcome to MJK Blasting. So this week we're doing some vapour blasting. So for you guys that don't know what vapour blasting is, basically it's this stuff here. I'll show you a close up in a minute. Well, there you go. This is glass beads, very fine. It's just like sand, not what you'd expect. In there, in the bottom of the tank, there's a load of water. So you get a slurry that comes around, and then we inject air in to get like a pressure washer style jet with glass beads in it. So today we've got some Webber carburettors, typical 40s out of like an Escort, some SUs, and their manifolds. So we're going to put them through the Vapour Blaster. It's a manual thing, so there's gloves in here in a cupboard that we work, and we'll clean them all up. So here we go. Okay, so I don't know how well this is going to go, but we've got the camera on the outside. Here's the carburetor here. Yeah, we're gonna. This is just the slurry coming out now. This is all the glass you see in here, and just a water solution. So we're going to inject the air in as well, and then vapour away. Oh, here we go. It's going to be a bit noisy now because we've got the compressor running above our head. Pump's running, so let's give it a go. Right, so that's the everything vapoured. At the minute they're upstairs, up on the racks there on the compressor. We tend to use the warm air coming out to dry them all out much easier because you can warm the aluminium right through. Big horrible mess in there now. Sorry about the line, can't get rid of these LEDs. That's it, compressor's now kicked out. So yeah, we'll give it a while and then we can bring them down to all pack. Okay, so that's it then. So we've vapoured them. There's the Webber there. Do some close-ups in a minute. All washed through, blown through the airline, then put upstairs on the dry as you saw. Dry them right through and gets the aluminium nice and warm and dries them straight through. So now we've just got to wrap them up and all ready to go. So stay tuned, please share, like, subscribe. I don't think Adrian's done it yet, again, but we'll get there. And next one will probably be the Triumph Stag. But watch this space. See you in the next one. Sorry guys, had to interrupt. Hot off the press. So 2 videos back we did a video on Heliopter Blades, blasting them back for a customer to make them as a display. So he's just emailed me the picture of the blades all done, finished on the stand. So here they are now, all polished up on display in their showroom. It's just a little sort of man cave piece. So yeah, it looks really good. So this is probably the last one we're going to do before Christmas, or we're in Christmas now, depends how quick we get to get this out. The next video hopefully is going to be the Triumph Stag, but we'll see. Just watch this space, see what comes out. If you want over Christmas, another good channel to go and watch, our mate Nick at Team Prawn Racing. Nick's got an epic one-wheel drive Audi A3 race car, 2023 championship winning car. Here's a picture of Nick's car. Him and his team have done really well, and well worth a watch. Man in a garage, just working on his car and racing as well. Also, another channel to go and watch, our other channel, SD1 Baz, which is our SD1 race car. It's another Thunder Saloon race car like Nick's. Except Nick's out there, we're not. Unfortunately, 2023, we had sandblasting had to move, so it sort of crippled us. But me and Big JT will be back on it soon, so subscribe to the channel. Links in the bio for all of this stuff. So hopefully over Christmas we'll get some videoing done. Next thing we've got to do is the firewall and transmission tunnel. Engine's already in, it's a 355 dry sump Chevy. So yeah, take a look at the channel, SD1 Baz, and have a look over there. Anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Probably not going to be till the new year, but watch this space. Cheers, guys.